I'm Barbara, but please call me B. I'm the head of product over here at OfferZen, and today I'm going to show you how we've revamped our candidate profiles. We've gotten a lot of feedback from users around the ease of building and what candidates actually want to show on their profiles, and so we had to go back to the drawing board to envision a profile where it's really easy to build, but it also really helps candidates showcase more of themselves so that we can better match them with their next career move.
So let me show you what's new on candidate profiles on OfferZen. So the first section that we've really revamped is this ideal next job section. So really able to show like clearly what you want for your next role, what your career goals are, the roles that you want to do next, but also the work environment that you want to be in, as well as the skills that you need to work with. So you really need to feel that, this profile is me. It's accurately reflecting what I want from my next job. The next section that we updated is the work experience section. So some updates here, like being able to add soft skills to a work experience entry, but also being able to show whether you've progressed in a role at a specific company. Then projects, this is probably the section that I am the most excited about because we're all saying that it's really important to show that you're product minded, and this section is really trying to do that. So being able to add projects that you've worked on, whether it's a work or a side project, but the problem that you've solved and the impact that you've had on users, but also how you've used AI in that project. And then very much related to that is this new section called AI Fluency, which is in beta. So this section really allows you to summarize how you use AI in your workflow, whether you build AI features, or if you're more on the data side and the infrastructure side, what features you've actually supported in terms of setting up AI infrastructure. And then lastly, what your view is on AI and privacy, which, obviously is really important to show. And then this section, I think, also really speaks to this, like, beyond formal education, like show that you're continuing learning and trying to stay up to date with trends and with new technologies. So this is now going beyond just formal education into certifications, courses and training, conferences and speaking even, as well as learning and innovation. So just being able to show things that you're currently really interested in learning more about, and really showing that like forward thinking. And then lastly, this is also something that I'm super excited about, is that we know that candidates find it really hard to write about themselves. And so we've introduced this profile evaluation agent. What this agent does is it gives you suggestions on how to improve your profile, whether it's something around your writing or whether it's just being able to add richer information that companies generally look out for. The nice thing is that this is not actually writing the thing for you. It's giving you a suggestion on how to improve something. So you still stay in control of what's being written on your profile. It's not being written by AI. So super exciting, lots of new changes. We really hope that candidates will use this to showcase themselves beyond just being a coder, really being able to show like how you solve problems, how you're product minded, and how you leverage AI to multiply your role.